Hi guys, today I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading a YouTube playlist on your mobile phone. This can be a great way to have all your favorite videos available to watch offline without using up your data. So let's get started. First, tap on your profile picture. Then select the playlist you want to download and hit the download icon. Tick the checkbox and press OK. Your download will start shortly. Wait until the download has finished. To access your downloaded playlist, simply tap on you. Tap on Downloads. Select the playlist. A check-marked icon indicates that your videos have been successfully downloaded and ready for offline viewing. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.